If you're looking to stop recurring charges on your Xbox account, this guide will help you navigate the process step by step. Follow these instructions to manage your subscriptions effectively. Step 1. Sign into your Microsoft account. Go to the Microsoft account website and sign in using the credentials associated with your Xbox account. This is necessary to access your subscription settings. Step 2. Access services and subscriptions. Once logged in, navigate to the Services and Subscriptions section. Here, you will find a list of all your active subscriptions linked to your account. Step 3. Locate the subscription to cancel. Scroll through the list and find the subscription you wish to cancel. Click on the subscription to view more details about it, including the next billing date and payment information. Step 4. Cancel the subscription. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After cancelling, you should receive a confirmation email or notification. Verify that the subscription has been successfully cancelled by returning to the Services and Subscriptions section to ensure it no longer appears as active. By following these steps, you can effectively stop any recurring charges on your Xbox account. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to Xbox support for assistance.